Hey guys, what's up? It's Greg from Hustle Island, and today we are going to set up a Shopify store from scratch. So, in this training, we're going to do some print on demand. So, by the end of this, you're going to know how to sell your very own t shirts, stickers, whatever it is that you want to sell. And the best part is, we're going to do it for free. So, go to Shopify.com and click Get Started. And this is the page you're going to see. I'm going to go ahead and set up my account. I'll be right back. So I put my email and created a password and I hit go. So the store is ready to go. So just jump in, tell a little bit about yourself. What are you going to be selling? I'm just playing around. My current revenue, 500 billion. We'll put it as 0. Nope. Next. Okay, so let's do an address. I will be right back. So just fill out your address and your personal details here. So I put in my details and the store is ready. So so we have our Shopify store and now we are working on the subdomain, which will be the name of your business, .myshopify.com. So you could actually run the store off of that domain. If you want to do a custom domain, you could just go over to GoDaddy. I would suggest just typing it in. I'm not going to do that in this training, but just type it into GoDaddy. It'll be very, very simple. Reach out to me if you need help with that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into, let's actually set up the product first. So let's go into apps. So a few print on demand places that I use for t-shirts, I always use Tscape. It has great customer service. The owner, Jeff, is phenomenal. He's actually given me a lot of high-level inside information. He responds, they get back to you, and most importantly, they do a very good job. They have the fairest pricing in the industry, and they get your stuff out on time, which is by far the number one priority. So let's go ahead and add an app. And while this is downloading, let's go install app. So you could do it for free. You only pay when you sell something. So we're going to go A to Z on this training for free. You're not going to spend a dime, and you're going to be able to, at the end of the day, sell your items today. So this is the setup. So what you're going to do, so I actually have a design that I made prior to this call, which is a .ai, which is an Illustrator file. If you need help with a design, we also have a training in the members area about Fiverr and how to go about getting a design and actually getting it vectorized. Go over there and check that out. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. So click upload your design, and now we're just going to grab the design and drag it in there. And the .ai files always work best because it's vector, and when they go to print it, it will show up perfect. So I did a little dog photo here. Let's resize it. Boom. Perfect. Now, isn't that a nice shirt? Continue. Let's call it dog. Save. Now, on the next screen, I believe we'll be able to pick the garments we want. So this is a Gildan. That's going to be $7.50. White, $8 colors. And I believe Tscape is $3.50 to ship. So you're looking at $11 on a white shirt. That's a lot of profit. I mean, when you go to Printful, other companies like that, they're going to be more expensive. They do have more products, so feel free to use Tscape for t-shirts and Printful for hoodies and hats and embroidery and any other stuff that they offer. So essentially, you're going to be able to create an entire clothing line from this Shopify backend. So let's go down here. Let's use these district shirts are very nice. So let's just pick one. Let's do some sort of tri-blend. Let's do that. That looks good. So for the sake of time, we're just going to do one color, and we'll do all these different sizes. So you could pick hoodies down here. You could pick different colors. I believe they have baby stuff. Yeah, so they have infant onesies, men's, women's. You could also add a decal, which is a sticker. Okay, so let's do this. So we're just doing the t-shirt. So here's your product title. Very important because this is going to show up in the searches. This is going to show up when you share the product or somebody else shares your link. So let's do, I don't know. Let's come up with a name. I don't even know what that dog is. I am not a dog person. So epic dog shirt. Yours is going to be a lot better than that. So, do you love dogs? If so, this shirt is the perfect way to show your love. Yada, yada, yada. Selling price. So, this shirt, I believe it was, I forgot, it was around $11 to $12. Let's do a double markup. So, let's go to 25. And let's go. So now the shirt is added to your store right now. So there it is. We can actually click on here and view the product. So next what we're going to do is we're going to set up our store. We're going to put our logo in there. And we're going to make the store look good. So the pricing is already there. Everything is already there. We can actually see the home page. I think I called it Hustle Training. Where is the home page? So Hustle Training 1. So let's go here. Let's see what the page looks like. So this is what it looks like right now. There's our shirt. Boom. So we're almost there. Epic dog shirt. So that is perfect. I mean, that's really all you need to test an idea. You want to see the viability of the store. Maybe run some ads. Maybe send an email if you have a list. And you could really be up and running really soon. I mean, that looks pretty good, right? So it took, 5 minutes to set that up. Somebody can actually add it to cart. You don't even really need a logo. I mean, you put your name right there, add to cart. I know that the checkout won't work because I have not set it up. But setting it up is just putting your bank account details in so Shopify can actually send you the money. Shopify is the merchant account, so it makes it really easy. So I don't know if you have any experience with merchant accounts, but back in the day it was super hard to get one. You had to jump through hoops. You had to set it up with authorize.net. Now it's just A to Z. Shopify takes care of everything for you, and they give you a free trial. So now we are going to go in and customize the store. Okay, so to customize the store, we're going to go here in the left navigation bar, online store. We're going to click themes, and you're going to see this page. So debut is the theme that we're using. It's a free theme. If you need to edit the code, you can go in here, and then it's a step-by-step customization. Very simple. We're going to keep this very just streamlined to get you to sell a product. That's should be your number one focus, is to sell. Don't worry about setting it up. Don't make it perfect. A lot of people lose a lot of time trying to make their store perfect before they even know if it's viable. So we're going to just go ahead and add a little logo there. Put it there. We can edit it. We can resize it. Let's make it a little smaller. Okay, what do we want to do? Main menu, that's fine. I mean, you could add a contact page. I would just keep it simple for now. Announce something. Let's say free shipping for launch party. You could do a link if you want. Maybe make that a red bar. Call attention to it. Okay, so let's go into the theme settings. Twitter, you could hook up all of your social media stuff here. Let's go back out. Let's actually save that. Save it up here. Let's go in. So these are your different modules for the website. So this is going to be this, and then featured collection is going to be here, and then image with text is going to be here, and then slideshow is going to be down here. Let's get rid of the slideshow for now. Let's keep it real simple. Let's do image with text. So I actually have a background image that I grabbed a minute ago. Let's see how that looks. Boom, perfect. Okay, so let's select that. And now let's customize. So shirt for dog lovers. And then let's just customize this. So you're in the right place. Okay, so let's make that medium height, text large. Button. Yes, let's do a button. So the button will be pre-order green dog shirt, and then we're going to link that to the product that we just made, the epic dog shirt. And perfect. Okay, so let's save that, and this is what it would look like on mobile. Perfect. You got yourself a legit store. So let's go back out now and let's do featured collection. So that works fine. Products per row. We could shrink it. Row, we could shrink that down even more. Show view all button. Home page. Alright, so we could add another shirt there if you want. We could even add a different color. If you'd like to do that, we can. And then down here is just going to be your image with text. So let's do, I don't have any other image, so let's just use this. And then do some sort of call about us. Why dog shirts? We love dogs, and we love shirts, and we know you do too. Yada yada yada. Put whatever you want there. You can make a button. Buy epic dog shirt, and Shopify makes it super easy to link. Okay, so now we would just need to customize that footer a little bit. Where's the footer? Here it is. Okay, so show payment icons. I always like doing that. So that's going to be your quick links. Your quick links, you talk about your business area, where you could do some sort of 30-day guarantee. Fund your money. Something like that. Do quick links. You could link out to your social pages. You could link to your collections if you're going to have dog shirts or different breeds of dogs. You could have different, in this one you could do hoodies, women's, kids, youth, whatever you want. The options are really endless. So let's just go ahead and let's make another shirt. Let's go ahead and make a different color shirt, or let's do a hoodie. And then I will show you how to set up Printful, and then we're on our way to a successful Shopify e-commerce store. And like I said, you can make a clothing line. There's no excuses anymore. If you have the creativity, and even you don't even need the creativity because you could just go to Fiverr. But if you have the drive and the hustle, I mean, with the internet, you could basically do anything. So let's go here and let's put the dog back on there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make a hoodie. Actually, we're we're going to make a couple. I'm going to show you how to make a whole line. And I'll even do the decal. So this is dog 1. Okay, bear with me here. We're going to go quick. So what did we say we're going to do? We said we want to do a hoodie. So unclick that. That always comes clicked. Let's find a hoodie. Let's actually do a jersey for the women. This is going to be a big seller. Women love that dog, I believe. And let's do a crew neck. Let's do this color. Oh yeah, and a decal. Okay, so the decal is there. Let's read it. Please use this preview. All right, boom. That is a beautiful decal. I mean, that's going to sell. And what this does is it allows you to go really deep in a niche. So you could do that specific dog and make the whole store about that specific dog, name it something about that specific dog, and then go to Facebook and find where the owners and lovers of that dog are, because I'm sure there's a page on Facebook or some sort of brand or something that caters to them. Show them the ad, boom, they're going to come to your page and they're going to check out. So let's make this just really quick. Tank, this is epic. Let's put that. I didn't catch the pricing on that, so let's just put that $24.95. $24.95 is actually not a bad price to sell. Oh, here's the price right here. So $11, $13. So your price on this individually is going to be $16.50 with the shipping. So we're going to do epic dog crew neck. This is epic, and so we'll do $27.95. And then the decal, epic dog decal. And what did we say the price was on this? I think it was $3. I'm not even sure. Let's do $7.95. All right, let's add the products, and now they're going to be in our store. And now we have a fully working store. The only thing you have to do is go ahead and set up your payment details, which I'll show you. You could use PayPal as well. It's very simple. Let me just go ahead and show you that while we're at it. And you're going to want to go through every preference. So before launching your store, click through each one, see what it is. You're going to want to put your name of your business if you want. Put your Facebook pixel, payment providers. You could customize the checkout. Accounts are, you could just leave it. Customers could check out. So like I said, I'm not going to bore you with this stuff. Just go through everything and make sure it's working. I'll do a shipping with you really quick. Calculate at checkout. I'm not sure if the lower package allows you to do that. Let's just do price based. So this is t-shirt. So minimum order to, so anything up to a t-shirt is going to be $5.95. And then anything over $24.95 to $9.99 is going to be, so $24.96 is going to be free shipping. Right here you could write expedited. You could write whatever the name of the, so that is actually going to show as the name of the shipping on the front end. So let's do save. So let's go back and we'll show you how to set up the payment processors. Give me 1 second. Okay, so all you're going to do is just, you're going to hit that button and follow the instructions. That's it. If you want to set up PayPal, just hit edit and follow the instructions. I'm not going to get into that because that's all self-explanatory. They're going to walk you through it. So what we will do is we'll go to the front end and see how our store looks from the user's perspective. So boom, that's a perfect store. So like I said, there are very, very little excuses of why somebody can't sell online. So now let's go to collection, our product. Let's set up our collection so that all of these show up on the home page. So let's do add to collection, home page, save. Let's go back here. And boom, you get your decal, your tank. And so to display them all, we are going to go to online store, themes. Let's go into customize. And let's do featured collection, products per row. Let's do 3. And then let's do 3 rows so you could see everything. Let's do save. All right, I believe that worked. Let's go back. And again, if I'm moving too fast or you don't understand something, just shoot me an email, or better yet, just Google it. Shopify has an extensive support database, and there's so many users that basically anything that you come across has already been answered. So just Google it, go into one of their forums, somebody will have it answered. So that's it. You got your crew neck right there. You can add it to cart. You have a functioning store. So whatever you do from here is all good. Again, focus on getting it out in the marketplace. Don't worry about the actual store and the website and the setup. That doesn't matter. It's about marketing and selling and copywriting and advertising. That's where you need to focus. Putting it out on Facebook, getting out into the marketplace, getting traffic and testing your concept is where it's at. That's where you spend your time, not getting your store together. So if you have an idea or a t-shirt line that you want to launch, your store should take 20 to 30 minutes. Get it up and then move, and then send it to somebody and then get their feedback. That is going to be the main goal. So really quick, before my kids come and attack me, let me show you how to set up Printful really quick, because Printful has a lot of different offerings, whereas Tscape had the tanks and the shirts and basically the garments. Printful has everything. There it is. Add app, and you're going to be on your way very shortly. I will stop boring you soon. I just want to very much stress the ease of use of the platform. These people behind the technology have done the work for you. Back in the day when you were starting to do an e-commerce store, it'd take you months and hundreds of thousands of dollars to get up and running. Now you can get up and running in a couple minutes. So let me just go ahead and create this store. I hope it's streamlined here. All right, let's rock and roll. What product are we going to make first? So let's wait. All right, let's go. Add a product. Printful has all kinds of stuff, by the way. You could do all over print. You could do tank tops with like a picture on it. You could do just about anything. Let's see how crazy we could get here. Let's do let's do a mug. You guys want to do a mug? I want to do that all over shirt. I just want to show you how cool this is. So again, Printful's prices are going to be a little on the higher side, but their technology, their concept is really cool. So use it for what it is. Give me 1 second here. Let me upload. I'm just going to use that same picture because that's all I have. All right, so here we go. I don't know if you guys could see that all that well. So we're just going to put, this is the print area, these lines. So let's do it like that. Boom, perfect. So your file is just going to need to be a little bit better. It's not letting me print this because the file is too small. Let me hold on one second. For the sake of getting this done, I went and got another file that was a little bit bigger, and hopefully we could use this one. I just want to get it up in the store and show you how you could use multiple print apps in the same store. So this one is small too. It's not letting me proceed to mock. Okay, I went with the Epic Dog again. That was in .ai, so that worked. I apologize. Just to reiterate, I am not a teacher or any type of guru. I am here to teach you how to do this shit in the easiest and most streamlined way possible. So let's go ahead and proceed to pricing. So this actually shows you your profit margin here. Let's say you want to make a $12 profit margin, submit to store. So that is going to go ahead and submit. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back up to the products and we're going to add it to the collection of homepage. These are not going to go into Printful. Oh. Okay, so let's go and select that tank and put it into the collection of homepage. Let's go back out to our store and check out that awesome jersey we just printed. Oh, there it is. Boom. Look how cool that is. Now you know that whatever dog that is, if you could find the person that loves those dogs, that is going to be an awesome shirt. So that's it. That's the end of it. All you have to do is set up your payment, and then you are in business. So you could sell 20,000 of these shirts tonight. Take your profit, goes right to your bank, and then pay the Printful or Tscape or whoever you use. There's another one, Gooten, Gooten, that I use for mugs, and they have all kinds of tons of products. So you could have a store with tens of, I don't know about 10,000, but hundreds or thousands of your own products. So if you have a wolf picture or a dog picture or some sort of hustle design, you could go on, put it on all these different garments, and the technology allows you to scale infinitely without having to own a piece of anything. You have no supplies, no materials, no overhead, nothing. You get paid, and then you pay the supplier right through the app. So you don't even have to do anything. You don't have to communicate with them. You don't have to send them files. You don't have to send them product. It's so easy. So take advantage of this. I hope you learned something. Again, if you have questions, please Google. Please look for your own answers. If you can't find it, I'd be happy to help. I'm at greg@hustleisland.com. If you're not in the Hustlers Club, jump in, get a free trial, come check it out. I'm in there nonstop. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer. And that's it. So you have a great night, a great day, and just keep hustling it and keep learning all this stuff. And the possibilities are endless. So just always keep learning, and I will talk to you soon.